Right after its launch, Hyundai Santa Cruz quickly attracted international media thanks to its eye-catching and modern design. In particular, Hyundai did not call the 2022 Santa Cruz a pickup, but introduced it as a sport adventure vehicle. As expected, Hyundai Santa Cruz will be produced at the Montgomery, Alabama, USA factory in June this year. The reason Hyundai did not introduce the 2022 Santa Cruz as a pickup truck is because this model is inspired by its Tucson crossover and uses a unibody chassis. Therefore, many customers mistakenly think this is a Tucson that has been converted into a pickup. Seen from the front, Santa Cruz 2022 makes customers immediately think of 2022 Tucson, with a grille consisting of interwoven chrome blocks combined with LED daytime running lights to form a beautiful uniform block. It is no exaggeration to evaluate 2022 Santa Cruz owning the most beautiful and unique steering wheel in the pickup village. The headlight cluster is placed low at the bottom two corners, applying LED technology, with an automatic projection angle control feature. The front bumper of the 2022 Santa Cruz has a fairly simple design, but the inside is integrated with a radar system in a high-end safety technology package. To the hip, the distance from the wheel arch to the wheel is very low, making 2022 Santa Cruz look very different from traditional pickup models. Because this model is using a unibody chassis. However, the long trunk is quite short, making the body of the car seems a bit truncated. However, viewed from the side, 2022 Santa Cruz still looks very healthy and dynamic with a sporty 5-spoke dual-spoke legs. Optional sizes from 18-20 inches come with tires that can adapt to 4 seasons. If the 2022 Santa Cruz comment is a street pickup, it is still very reasonable with a very sharp rear design. The most impressive is the rear light cluster simulating a horizontal hammer with extremely attractive LED graphics. Undeniably, the trunk of 2022 Santa Cruz is quite small compared to other competitors when it is only 132.3 centimeters long. In return, under the product, there is a small trunk for storage. The Korean car company thoughtfully arranges steps arranged on both sides of the rear bumper to help users step on the trunk more easily. 2022 Santa Cruz is equipped with a standard 2.5-liter naturally aspirated, 4-cylinder engine that produces a maximum capacity of 190 horsepower, maximum torque of 244 Nm for a pulling power of 1,588 kg. Future owners of the 2022 Santa Cruz can choose from a 2.0-liter, 4-cylinder turbocharged engine. This machine is capable of producing a maximum capacity of 275 horsepower, maximum torque of 420 Nm for a stronger pulling power of 2,268 kg. Both engines are equipped with 8-speed automatic transmission. Although built on the foundation of the front-wheel drive architecture, 2022 Santa Cruz is still integrated with the HDR-AC full-time 4-wheel drive system for strong performance. McPherson multi-link front-rear suspension promises to bring a smooth experience. Moving inside, 2022 Santa Cruz pickup is equipped with a 2-zone automatic air conditioner for fast and deep cooling. The list of in-vehicle infotainment systems includes 8-inch infotainment screen, GPS navigation, support connecting Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, audio set. If the traditional gear shift lever is removed, the cockpit of the 2022 Santa Cruz will be identical to 2022 Tucson. The most impressive is the new and unique two-spoke design steering wheel, which integrates two gear shift paddles and has a heating feature, combined with the 10-inch full digital instrument cluster at the rear, thereby creating a strong visual effect, promising to contribute to a more enjoyable driving experience. The dashboard surface exudes luxury when using high-quality materials such as leather, soft plastic, and aluminum decorative details. In particular, the most prominent is the standard 8-inch central touchscreen entertainment screen. Passengers forced to sit in the back seat of 2022 Santa Cruz will certainly not be comfortable because the legroom is quite tight. This is also quite understandable when the wheelbase of the car is very short, plus the need to give up space for the rear trunk.